Yep, welcome to more IFC. I will appreciate the time being here. Thank you so much. This is a simple buy that you can put whatever your book or maybe your laptop. When you are putting your laptop in, you have to measure your laptop, the size of your laptop. That is what you're gonna use in making this bag. If you wanna put books, you can measure many bells you wanna put it in. So let's get started. So this is the main fabric. I measure 15.5. That is 10.5. So this is the lining. You cut the same sizes, the same together, and this is the pocket. The length of the pocket is 9 inches, the same as the lining. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Click on the notification bell. And this is a rope. This is a rope. You can make it as long as you want to make the rope. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And this is the hand of the bag. I measure 2.5. You can measure 3. How big you want it, you can measure 2. And the length of the hand, you can measure 25 or even 30. You should make it 30. So you're gonna fold it like this. Then we sew across it like that. We do the same thing to the other hand. So this is the hand. So this is the pocket. You put facing of the fabric and the facing of the lining together, and you sew on top. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Tell me what you think. Tell a friend. Comment. Click on the notification bell so anytime that I post something, you're gonna get the notification that I post something. So share me your thoughts, Tell me what you think. Comment. Subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. So we just have to sew on top. This is the front pocket. So you just have to put it on top like that. Then we sew on top. You can make the down square like that and leave it like that, or you can just fold it like this and make a curve. Measure 1 inch. Then you draw your curve. That's the front one, and you're gonna do the same thing at the back by putting this one on the back, and you just have to trim it out. So this is the back of the bag. So you just have to put it on it like that and trim it out. Tell a friend to tell a friend. This is more IFC. Subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Click on the notification bell. Comment, like. So we just have to sew the pocket to the front side so you can see the pocket has been done. So we're going to take the bag and put it on it, and we're going to sew across it. So this is the hand of the bag. You just have to flip it in. Then you're going to iron it. Nice press. You look at the way I'm just ironing it, how I fix the hand. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Tell me what you think. You know what it is. This is more IFC. So we're gonna top stitch around it at the corner side. Go around it. This part is optional. You can do it or you can just leave it like that. You do the same thing to the other hand. Just have to keep on trimming the unnecessary fabric out, thread out. So you just have to fix the hand. You have to measure 1.5 or 1. Yup, this is Mora FC. Tell a friend to tell a friend. You know what it is. You know what it is. This you can put your laptop in. You can put your books in, whatever you want to put in. But when you're putting your laptop in, you make sure you measure the size of your laptop. How big you want it to be, how small you want it to be. So now we're going to take the back of the bag, then we sew around it and leave the top side open. Just like that. And this is the lining. We're gonna sew across it like that. The same thing we did with the front one, but we're gonna leave 2 inches at the bottom. We're gonna leave 2 inches at the bottom. So you take the front, turn it inward, just like this. You can see we're almost done with the bag. We're almost done. I can say we have done 70 or 80% of the bag. Yeah, we have done like 80%. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So you got to put it in like that. Just look the way I put it in. You match the notches together. Pin it to make it easy for you. So after pinning everything, now you just have to sew across it. Just sew around it all. Don't leave a space. Just sew around it all. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. If you are new to the channel, subscribe, like, and share. There are a lot of stuff we're gonna do here. If you go back to my previous video, you can see I'm doing different things altogether on this channel. So keep supporting, keep watching. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, give me a comment, and share. I post every video every Wednesday and Sunday. Every Wednesday and Sunday I drop a video. So the space that we left, the 2 inches that we left in the line, we just have to flip everything out. Take your time flipping everything out. Take it easy. Take it easy, my bro. Take it easy, my sister. Take it easy when you are flipping everything out. If you have not gotten your sewing machine, I don't know what you're waiting for. It's Mora FC. Tell a friend to tell a friend. So the space that we left, you just have to close that space up, sew on top, at the tip of it. So we pull everything back. So you can see the bag is even down. I've already done the bag. We're almost finishing. So let's kill it all and finish it all. You know what it is. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Support this movement. Click on the notification bell. So anytime I post a video, you'll be notified. You're gonna get a message that I post a video. Like I say, I drop every video. I'll drop videos Wednesdays and Sunday. So we're gonna fold 1 inch inward. Then we're gonna sew across it and leave a space like the size of your finger. So keep watching, you're gonna know. If you understand, you get to see what I mean. You just have to sew across it and leave a space. But you gotta top stitch it when you start, and when you're ending, you have to top stitch it to make it very firm. It's about Mora FC. We're doing several things on this channel, so many different things. So keep on watching, keep on supporting. subscribe, like, share me your thought. If there's something that you don't understand, you should ask, and I will explain it to you. So you can see that I left a space that my finger can enter inside. That is the place that we're going to put our thread in. Like I said, you can make your own thread, or if you have any thread, you can just put it in. So I'm making my own thread. You just have to fold the side and fold the side as well, and fold it again. Making it simple. But hey, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Give me a thumbs up. Comment. Tell me what you think. If there's something that you want me to do a tutorial on it, let me know. So I just fold it to know the middle of the bag because I want to join the other hand. It's very advisable to make your hand longer. So when you pin it like this, you have to wear it and see if it suits comfortable at your back. Then if it's not, it's too long, then you have to cut it. When it's too short, you just have to make a new one. That's why it's very advisable to make your handle of the bag long. You have to check the measurement. You can see I'm just checking everything, make sure that I get the accurate measurement of both sizes where I put the hand. So I'm gonna go 4 square on it, and I'll make a multiple sign in the middle of it. I'm gonna do the same thing to other hand. And at the pocket side, you just have to make your bottom hole and put your bottoms there. So you see how I'm doing it? So after that, we're done. If you are not subscribed yet, I don't know what you are waiting for. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like, and share. Tell me what you think. This you can put your laptop in, you can put your books in. You can decide to put lining in, you can decide not to put the lining in. So thank you for watching, thank you for your time. I will appreciate it.